Hello and welcome to Sherman Medical Supplies. Today we're going to be doing an in-depth demonstration on the all-new UpWalker Easy Lite. UpWalker was one of the first brands to introduce the first ever upright rollator where we're able to walk in an upright posture. Along with that, they introduced the original UpWalker, which is a more substantial and sturdier unit that's a lot bigger that we also made another video on. But now they just released the all-new UpWalker Easy Lite. This is the lightest UpWalker available on the market, weighing only 16 pounds. And it folds very compact and small. Diving into some of the features of the UpWalker Lite, if we start up here with the handlebars, we have easy locking brakes, so it's very easy to lock in place, both unlock and pull fully. Rubber gripped hand grips. Our small and compact armrest pad where we can fit our armrest into. These armrest pads are also height adjustable from a level of 1 all the way up to a level of 11. This fits a max height range of about 4'7" up to 5'10", and it's easily adjustable with just a click of the trigger. We're able to push it up and push it down, easily adjusted. When we're gonna fold the UpWalker Lite, it's very easy. Right here in the middle on the seat itself, there's a gray strap. We're gonna tug on that strap, lower our handrails down all the way, and then push it together. In this position folded, it weighs only about 16 pounds and it's compact enough to fit in any normal sedan, car, or SUV. When sitting with the UpWalker Lite, it's important that we push both of our brakes forward and hear that click. This will lock it in place. Then we're able to push down, lower the height of our arms, and then turn around and sit in it. This will give us good leverage and something to hold on to as we sit down. It also serves as a comfortable armrest. When ready to get out of it, these are fully stable, so you're able to push up and off of these, and as long as your brake's locked, it's not going to go anywhere. One of the other good things about the UpWalker Lite is that all of our cables are internal and going through the piping itself, so you don't ever have to worry about the cable getting stuck on a doorway, breaking, and that way you lose the whole brake line. In the rear, we have 6-inch wheels. In the front, we have the bigger 8-inch wheels. Makes it a little nicer when we're outdoors and going over things. And then some of the other cool features that it does have these push tabs at the bottom. So if we're going over a small lip, it's easier to push down on this with your foot, and then you're able to leverage the whole unit back so we can go over a threshold. The last and final feature is if you're someone who travels frequently, say via airline or small luggage, you're able to pull on these two straps here, and you unlock this back wheel section, which will then fold up and over. And you can fold the whole thing into this super compact size. The front wheels also do pop off, so it's able to fit in almost any normal briefcase or luggage. Thank you guys for tuning into this video on the UpWalker Lite. This is a rollator that we do keep here on display at our showroom located at 14120 Magnolia Boulevard in the city of Sherman Oaks. Our zip code is 91423. We also do offer it for sale on our website at shermanoaksmedical.com. and it will be in the rollator section under upright walkers. Thank you guys again for tuning into this video. With any questions, please always feel free to call us at 818-981-9906.